Hi there, it is Megan with Epcon Communities and Clarity Construction. Welcome back to You Ask, We Answer. One of our most common questions is, what amenities come with the community? Well, let me show you. Our communities are designed to be more than just a place to live. They're built to give you space where you can gather, relax, and connect. Here inside this clubhouse, our homeowners love to enjoy this welcoming space, whether it's to host family gatherings, neighborhood events, or simply catch up over a cup of coffee. This space is available to you 24/7 and free anytime you want to reserve it for your own private event. All of our communities also include fitness centers to help you stay active, resort-style pools for those summer days, and scenic walking trails that make it easy to get outside and enjoy nature. You'll also find pickleball and bocce ball courts, favorites among our homeowners, perfect for staying active and having fun with neighbors. And of course, one of the most loved amenities is the low-maintenance living. Lawn care, snow removal, and clubhouse upkeep are all handled for you, giving you more free time to focus on the things you love. At Epcon Communities, our amenities aren't just about convenience, they're about lifestyle. Whether you're looking to stay active, make new friends, or simply enjoy some more free time, our neighborhoods are designed with you in mind. So when you choose an Epcon home, you are not just moving into a house. You are joining a community that's built around connection, comfort, and simplicity. Contact us today to schedule your VIP tour and experience firsthand all the reasons why living in an Epcon home truly gives you the life improvement that you deserve.